Leslie. Welcome back to my cross stitch channel. Well, 2 weeks have gone by and I just wanted to show you what I've been cross stitching for the last 2 weeks. I've started 2 new cross stitch projects, and I took one of my old cross stitch projects. So in total there are about 3 projects that I've been working on, and I'm gonna be showing you and opening the cross stitch kit so you can see what's inside, and showing you the result, how much I've been cross stitching. So stay tuned. Today is the 6th of February and I'm starting a new project, and it's a kit by Design Works. Beautiful colorful giraffes. And as I said before, people who follow me know me that I like colorful kits. If I choose kit by what kind of colors are inside of the kit. It might be a very nice picture to cross stitch, but if it doesn't have bright and colorful colors, I am not gonna buy it. And if these giraffes were like in their natural colors, I would not have bought them. But since they have these beautiful different colors, it's gonna be a joy to cross stitch. So as I said before, this kit is by Design Works, and this is 10 by 12 inches. This has 14 count A of fabric, white fabric, and here you can see the beautiful floss, and the needle is here, and the 14 count A of fabric, white fabric. So let's open it together and see what's inside. Stay tuned. So let's look at the preview of the giraffes without this wrapping paper that's in the way. I don't think this is going to take a long time to cross stitch. It's not very big. And you can see here there's a lot of places here that are empty. I'm not going to be cross stitching anything around here. So I think this is not going to take a long time to cross stitch. Then this is the cardboard paper, the instructions, and I'll just show you a little bit of the chart, not the whole chart, so you can just get an idea what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's in black and white, and the symbols are quite small. Then here's the needle and the beautiful floss. This is what attracts me the most when I buy a kit. The beautiful colorful floss. I like the organizer. It has these very deep, big holes, which is easy to put the floss in. And the floss is not very short. It's not very long. It's not as long as in Dimensions kits, but it's okay. It's going to be very nice to work with. And I feel like that, I don't think this is DMC or Anchor floss, but they feel like very soft and nice on the touch when you touch it. So I'm gonna go and start cross stitching. Wish me luck. I'm gonna be updating you and showing you what I've been cross stitching. So stay tuned. Today I'm going to start a new cross stitch project, and this is a kit by Heritage Crafts. I ordered this kit from Great Britain. This is by Karen Carter Collection, 14 count Aida fabric, and this is all whole stitches and a lot of back stitching. This is a country village, or I just like to call it English village. This is the back side of it, and this is they have two other different kits in this collection. I would really like to buy this one someday, the cross stitch one. This I am not so in love with as this one. This one is the best. And here you can see this is kit contains Zweigart fabric, needle, DMC stranded floss, 8 by 8 inches or 20.5 by 20.5 centimeters. And this is what it looks like in the back of it. Colorful floss. The chart is in black and white. And I am going to open it right now and show you what's inside. Stay tuned. So let's see what's inside. First is the needle. This is by John James. I think the needles by John James are quite okay. I like them. Here is the floss. And this is a disappointment because the floss is quite short. I really like the Dimensions floss. They have a very, very long floss. This is not very good for me. I like to use long floss when I cross stitch. But the colors are amazing, and this is DMC. Very good quality. And it looks like it's the same here as well. Yes, it's a disappointment. Well, this is very, very light cardboard. This is almost like paper. So this can break. But you can see that all the numbers are already on the organizer. So that is very easy. You don't have to put them on. Everything is done. Here you have the fabric, or this is for the fabric. It's not a very big piece. This is Zweigart, and I like Zweigart. It's very soft, easy to cross stitch on. And here's the instructions. As I said before, this is I'm gonna be cross stitching on with whole cross stitches, and there's a lot of back stitching. Let me just show you the preview here. There's a lot of back stitching. And here is the chart. And as you can see, the chart is like two pieces of, let me just get it out. I'm not going to show you the whole chart. There are two sheets of, 2 pages of the chart here with the symbols. And there are two sheets or 2 pages with the back stitching. So the back stitching is it's on a separate paper, which I think is very good. Easy. It would be easier, maybe much more easier for me to cross stitch if it's on 2 different sheets. I'm probably gonna cross stitch the whole project first, and do the back stitching when I'm done with all of the crosses. So this is good that they keep it separately, the chart with the symbols and the chart with the back stitching. So that is a big plus. The only minus that I can see right now is the floss, because it's so short. But we'll see. I'll give it a try, and I'll see what happens. I'll see you soon. So let's get to it and I'll show you what I've been cross stitching. The first cross stitch kit that I've been cross stitching the last 2 weeks are these beautiful giraffes. This is by Design Works. They're very colorful, very playful, very fun to cross stitch. And this is what I've cross stitched. Let me show you. This part here I've cross stitched. And I'm very pleased with the results. The fabric is very, very soft. The floss is nice. It's not the best quality. It's not DMC quality. And I don't know what kind of floss this is. It doesn't state here. Just embroidery floss and just 14 count of fabric. So I don't think this is Figart, and I don't think this is DMC or Anchor floss. But the floss is it's okay. It's decent. It's good to work with. So I'm pleased, and this was so easy to cross stitch. I mean, these colors are so therapeutical. I love cross stitching it. It's so easy. It's so fun. I mean, it was just a dream. I think I'll be continuing cross stitching this giraffe's head here. And when I'm done with it, I'll probably go up here and cross stitch this giraffe. The only thing I noticed that I think it was kind of problematic, or maybe not problematic, but I just have questions. Why is the preview not looking as exactly like what I've cross-stitched? I mean, look here. This color blue here is much more deeper blue, darker blue than my blue color. This is more of a light blue, and this is a dark blue. Here as well. This is more of a rusty blue, and this is more of a deeper purple blue. So the colors don't exactly match the preview. And the same here with the pink. This is a dark pink, and this is more lighter pink. Even though I like this color, and I like this color as well, I think they fit in very well. But I still don't understand why the preview looks so different. Or at least some of the colors look so different than what I have been cross-stitching. So the floss is not really the same as on the preview, maybe. I don't know. If any of you know why, let me know in the comment section. Next one is this cross-stitch kit by Dimensions. This is an old kit. It's not produced anymore. It's made in 2002. And before I show you what I've cross-stitched, I'm going to show you a picture of what this cross-stitch project looked last time I showed it to you. So here's the picture. And this is what it looks like now. Let me just show you a little bit closer. This is what I've been cross-stitching here. I've cross-stitched this armchair, this part of the armchair, this part of the blanket, this basket with the flowers and the leaves, and this part here of the floor here. So basically, almost half of the armchair is done. And I've also done some back stitching here. Let me show you closer. Back stitching, not all of it, but almost like 90% of the back stitching on the basket and the flowers. And not all, but some back stitching here on the armchair. And this part here and here, it's just empty space. You don't have to do anything. It's according to the chart, it's just empty places. So I didn't have to cross stitch anything there. It is difficult. It's so much more difficult than the giraffes. The back stitching takes a lot of time. And it's not easy. The back stitching is not that easy, but it's fun. I mean, the colors are nice and bright, and I love them. And I think that I am gonna continue cross stitching either this part of the armchair, or I'll cross stitch these beautiful flowers with the pot. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. And the fabric is much more stiffer than this fabric here. So I like the fabric, giraffe fabric, much more better. It's lighter, it's easier to work on than this thicker fabric by Dimensions. So next and last project This is Heritage Crafts. This is from Great Britain. I ordered it from Great Britain, but I think you can buy it on eBay. It's available on eBay. It's not very big. What was it? 8 by 8 inches. And this is what I've cross-stitched here. I'll show you a little bit closer. Now, this is not an easy kit. This is not a big kit. It's not big, but it is complicated. I mean, just look here. There are so many different shades of green. And you have to change it very often. Here as well, many different shades. And I like that the floss is not very long, because you don't need long floss here. You have to change it so very often. So it's actually a good thing that the maker of the company chose to have floss that is not very long. That is a big plus for you, because you don't need long floss here. It's easier to work with shorter floss in a project like this that has so many different shades of colors. I haven't done the back stitching, and I think I'm gonna leave it for now and wait. Continue cross stitching before I do any back stitching, or maybe I'll just do the back stitching when I'm done with all of this. I don't know. It is not easy. It is complicated, but I like it. This is Zweigart fabric, so it's nice and easy to work with. This is DMC floss, very nice, very I'm very happy with the result. But this is the one I've cross-stitched the least time, and I don't have a lot of progress on this one. But I'm thinking of continue cross-stitching this one. So let me know in the comment section below what cross-stitch project you like the most. And let me know also, what cross-stitch project do you want me to continue cross-stitching for the next 2 weeks? For next 2 weeks, I'm going to choose 3 other cross-stitch, maybe something from this one, and maybe something of my old cross-stitch projects. And in 2 weeks, I'll give you an update of what I've been cross-stitching. So let me know if there's something out of these 3 that you want me to continue cross-stitching for the next 2 weeks. So I hope you subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you in 2 weeks. Have a great day, have a great weekend. Bye-bye.